as you're true leader, and not obliged, promise to please ya.
Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. This beautiful pink goes by the name of Beverly Hills, and you guys, I cannot wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Today's video is dedicated to Breast Cancer Awareness Month, to our beautiful, strong, phenomenal, courageous sisters that have fought the fight and that are fighting the fight. I just want you to know that we stand with you in support, and we stand with you in love, and we stand with you full of hope. We love you guys. So today's color was inspired by the infamous OG MAC Cosmetics lipstick Snob. It is a matte lipstick bullet, and today I'm going to be showing it to you guys in two ways, in a liquid lipstick as well as the matte lipstick bullet. Like all of my other videos, this video, the full recipe, will be available on my Patreon. Shout out to all my patrons. For a small pledge a month, you'll have access to this video's recipe and all of my archive recipes. First things first, I got my lipstick base to my bowl, and you can find that at veryveelobeauty.com. And then I'm going to be adding in my titanium dioxide. Now I'm going in with some FD&C batch certified red number 27 alum lake, and I'm going to mix that in very well. To lighten the pink, I'm going in with some more titanium dioxide.
Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging.
Now to establish the proper undertones, I'm going in with some FD&C blue number 1 alum lake. Now I'm going in with some brown oxide just to neutralize it just a little bit and bring it down a notch. Now I'm going in with my Holy Grail kaolin clay to absorb the oils and to bring us to a nice moisture matte finish. Now I'm going in with some Isododecane Remix found at veryveelobeauty.com, and what this is going to do is it's going to improve spreadability, create a film, and finish our product. Now that our product is done, I'm going to go and show you guys a swatch. From here, if you want to stop and create a liquid lippy, you are done, but I'm going to go ahead and convert it into a matte bullet. So I'm using my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base, which is a lot more firmer than my regular base. And I'm going to add that to a beaker so that we can combine the color that we just made, the liquid lipstick, the liquid matte lipstick that we just made, to the beaker and allow them to melt together in order to make the bullet. Now I'm taking 1 teaspoon of this mixture and I'm adding it into the bullet. I'm just leveling off my spoon here and adding that finished product right to the bullet. I'm sorry, the beaker. Right here, I'm just adding the beaker to a hot plate. On medium heat, allow the product to melt. It takes about 5 minutes. It moves really, really fast, so please don't walk away. And when removing it from the heat, make sure you have like a paper towel or something to protect your hands. After it cools a little, I went in with some preservative cap too, and I just mixed it in right before I poured. But be very careful. Like I said, this is a hot glass, so I have my paper towel here to protect myself from the heat, and I'm just pouring the finished product into the mold, and then I'm going to take it off to my fridge to cool for about an hour.
Because you ain't here.
Now that we removed our mold from the fridge, I'm just going to scrape off the excess with my spatula, and then I'm going to remove the top of the mold first, and then I am going to demold this lipstick. Now, I was being fast. I did not wait an hour, and as you can see, the other bullet broke on me, but I was determined not to let that happen again. So I went ahead and just to be on the safe side, I opened my mold up from the screw, because I was like, no, I cannot lose this bullet. Like, no, I worked so hard. So I'm just removing it this way. You can also remove it that way to kind of be on the safe side, but don't be like me. Please wait the full hour. It's so worth it in the end. But thankfully, the bullet came out beautiful. It was perfect. Perfect, and I love it. Shout out to El Sabor. Her name on IG is L_.Sabor. She makes these beautiful lipstick tubes. She sent me some a couple years back, and I still have so many. I add them to my vanity on my vanity. I love them. It's like a custom gift. Here I am adding Cape Town. I'm lining my lips with Cape Town. I love using Cape Town as a liner. And then here we are with the pink that we just made. I was amazed at how opaque it was and the color payoff, especially for it to be a bullet. I love the way that the color turned out. And I'm just filling in the center of my lips with that beautiful pink that we made. And then, of course, I'm going to go on top of that with a lip gloss. I'm going in with my Very Veelo Beauty Clear Ultra Shine lip gloss to complete this beautiful look, and I'm just blotting it to get it all, together, and there you guys have it. Beautiful. I love the way this combo came out. Shout out to MAC Cosmetics and JT from the City Girls. She has a combo with them that looks exactly like this, that features lipstick Snob as the bullet. I think you get a liner, the bullet, and a clear lip gloss. And in my line, I decided to name this beautiful combo Miss Beverly. So head over to veryveelobeauty.com to check it out. It's going to be sold in retail as well as wholesale sizes, you guys. So be sure to check that out. And until next time, I love you guys. Thanks for allowing me to share my gift with you. Bye.